If you have been trying to create your own YouTube channel, or you've been asking people, Charlie, how did you create your channel? How do I create my channel? Don't worry, I am here to save you. I'm here to make your wish come through. I am here to show you how, or to run you through the process of how you can create your own YouTube channel organically. No stress. You don't need to go and pay. You know, there's been rumors, people saying people take money, and people charge them for creating a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is absolutely free. So I'm about to take you through the various steps from start to end on how to create your YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is the very first step, what you need to know to create a YouTube channel. And I'm starting mine with, I'm using Microsoft Edge because I have my details. I normally use Google Chrome, but I don't want to log out of it, and then logging in would be a whole lot of stress later on. So I'm using Microsoft Edge this time around. But I think the right browser to use when you are doing YouTube is the Google Chrome, because YouTube is owned by Google, and then Google owns Google Chrome. So obviously you have to use Google Chrome. But I'm using Microsoft Edge, so it gives a little bit of diversity. So what we have to do, the very first step, is for you to open Google, google.com. Then you come right to the top. Then you click on sign in. So it will bring you to the sign in page. You don't have an account. You are creating YouTube for the first time. You don't have any account anywhere. So you need to create your Google account. Like I said, Google owns YouTube, or YouTube is for Google. So before you get a YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail account, a Google account, before you can continue. So we'll come down here to create account. Then they'll ask you for yourself or to manage a business, and obviously it's for yourself. So you just tap on for myself. Then it will take you to where you need to fill in your credentials. And for the sake of this video, let me just use Angel as my first name, then Ralph as my last name. Then my username is going to be Angel Ralph at gmail.com. That is if the system will accept it. Okay, that username is taken. Try another. So I have available Angel Ralph 584. No, I don't want it. So I'm just gonna add one to it and see if it's available. This one is also taken. So I'll add another one. This one is also taken. So one again. Wow. Okay, now I'm pissed. Okay, let me just make it Angel Ralph 100. And this is not taken. So this is my Gmail account. Then my password side, it has to be like as they've written. It has to be a stronger password, a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So my password is going to be, I think we're good now. So next. Okay, so the next will bring you here. Since I'm Ghanaian, I need a number for my account, and the number won't be visible to others. So straight up, I'm going to use my Ghanaian number. 0. Nah, nobody needs to hear this. Then if you have a recovery email, what a recovery email means is you need to, when for instance you lose your login details and then you want to recover your password, they have options. It's either you recover through your phone number or you recover through a recovery email. So if you have a friend or somebody you can trust to use their email as your recovery email, when you choose that option, you just go, they'll send that person an email containing your new login details, and you get to access them. Then you log in back into your account, if that makes sense. So my recovery email will be, I don't have any recovery email, so I'll leave that. Then I'll choose for the sake of this video, I'll just choose January 1, 19990. Yeah. Then my gender, obviously male. Then so we'll move to the next. You can see they're asking me if I want to save my password, blah blah blah. Okay, let me just, for the sake of this video, let me just save it. Okay, so a whole lot of, Ghanaians, we don't like reading, so a whole lot of stuff we don't even read, and we just have to agree. So we have our Google account created. That is it. You see, when you tap this side, you see your details here. You are logged into your new Google account. As simple as that. So moving on to creating a YouTube channel, right? So you open a new tab depending on whichever browser you're using. Like I said, I'm using Microsoft Edge. So you open a new tab, type in YouTube, youtube.com. So yeah, I have youtube.com over here, as you can see, trending videos, stuff. On the right hand side, you see that automatically it logs in. So I created the Google account and then it's logged in here as a Google account. Then when I opened YouTube, automatically it has logged in. You see, so what we'll do next is when you click on this same side again, come down a bit, the very first one you see, create a channel. You see, as simple as that, create a channel. So yes, click on create a channel, and then it will take you to your creator, blah blah, asking you your creator journey begins, pursuing your creative passions, connecting with your audience, blah blah blah. So just click on get started. Then they'll ask you for a name. This is the name. This name right here is the name I used when I was registering my Google or my Gmail account. So they're asking you if you want to stay with that name or you want to have a different name, like customize a name or a different name for your brand. So for the sake of this video, I think I'm going with the same name. Yeah, so my channel has been created, as simple as that. Then YouTube will ask you, nice work, your channel and giraffe has been created. So would you want to upload your channel banner or whatever, like your channel, upload your picture, that is your profile picture for your channel. You tell people your description of your channel, your links, your website, social media, all of that. So for now I don't need all this, so I think I'm just going to come to setup. If you have all those things ready, you can just tap this side and then upload your profile picture, whatever your channel is about. You just come to this side, type it in, and then so when you finish putting in all your details, this part will be highlighted for you to save and continue. But I don't need all these things now, so I'll just click on setup later. So this is my channel, Angel Ralph. No subscribers, home, videos, playlists, channels, discussion. When you want to, anything you want to change on your channel, you just come to customize channel. It will take you straight to your YouTube Creator Studio, and I'll do another in-depth video of how to customize your channel and all that. So all these tips will be here. So yes, this is your YouTube Studio, where you get to customize your channel trailer, featured video, featured sections. This is a layout. You come to branding, what you need to, your channel banner, your profile picture, watermark. All these things are basic things you need to do or you need to know when you are creating your YouTube channel. And it's not advisable to create a channel or your YouTube channel on a mobile device, because you won't get many of these features. It is advisable to create your channel with a computer or a laptop or a PC or anything with a larger interface for you to get all these options. So your YouTube channel, you have your dashboard at the top here, with your analytics, 0 subscribers, this And then YouTube themselves have videos, tutorial videos on how to, grow your channel, or certain things you need, certain tricks you need to grow your YouTube channel. YouTube themselves have that one here. That is the Creator Insider. So down here you have content. That is where when you post or when you upload a video, this is how or where you see the videos lined up from top to down. Then you have playlists. Playlist is when you're creating a channel. Obviously, maybe you don't have maybe your channel isn't about just one topic. You have different topics, so you just make sure they are all in a specific playlist for your audience to know which specific playlist to go or where to go when they are looking for something specific. So yeah, then we have analytics down here. That is the number of views and watch hours and subscribers you get whenever you post any video, or where you have video on your channel already. And you come to your analytics side, you have, you get to see what is going on with the video, how many views it's getting, how many subscribers, how many people are actually vibing with the video. That's what it is. Then you come to the comments, people who have actually commented on your content, getting to know if you are getting positive feedback or you are getting negative feedback. And yes, then down here we have subtitles, which is not really necessary now. Then we have copyright. Copyright is when somebody probably is using your content somewhere and then you've seen it, then you come to this side to file a copyright for the person or the video which you think the person is violating. So with this side, we'll dig deep into it more and more. Then here we have your monetization. YouTube has a criteria you need to meet when it comes to you wanting to make money. So here we have I have 0 subscribers, I have 0 watch hours. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 public watch hours. We'll dig deep into that side later on. And yeah, that is for the monetization side. Then we'll come to customization. Customization is basically what I showed you earlier on. You get to customize your YouTube channel based on how you want it. So we come over to audio library. Audio library is when YouTube provides you with non-copyright music you can use for your videos, being a blogs or vlogs or cooking channel, anything you want to do, and you need sound, a non-copyright sound, and you don't want to have any problems with copyright. You just head over to this audio library and then you just pick any of them and you put them into your video, or you just, use them inside your videos or something. The sound effects here too, all these are made available by the YouTube people themselves. Then we're moving on to settings. Settings is when you have your general currency, US dollar channel. You get to select your country of residence, advanced settings. It's basically going around it's basically setting up your channel according to how you want. So you go through all this. If there's a point you need to correct or put something there, you just put it there and then you are done. So this is basically how the surface or the interface of your YouTube studio will be like. And if you want to upload a video, you just hit on the create button. They'll ask you upload or go live, then you tap on the upload. You're going to look for whatever video file you want to upload, then you upload. This is basically how to create an organic YouTube channel. So as time goes on, we'll be digging deep into how to do certain things on YouTube and all that. I'm here to help you through my own experience, the experience I've had on YouTube. I'm here to help you with it. And if this video has been helpful to you, let me know what you think down in the comment section. Leave a like, leave a sub. See you in the next video. My name is Ralph. Bye bye.